Hey all, hope you're doing good. Today I'll show you some cool new features that are shipped with Adobe Photoshop 2025 release. In this frame, you can see there are some people who are causing distraction to this group photo. Now let us remove them within a second. In the toolbar, select the remove tool. If you do not find the remove tool, right click on the spot healing brush tool and you can find the remove tool here. Click on remove tool and you get an option called find distractions. Click on find distractions and click on people. It detects people without harming the main subject here. Now select the people here and click on the check mark. It removes the people within a second. Amazing, isn't it? Now let us see another example. In this image, there are electric cables and wires running across the frame. Now, most of the travel or street photographers would encounter this issue, and it is very difficult to remove all these wires and cables even with using generative fill. Now, with distraction removal, the process is simplified to a greater extent. Click on the remove tool as I explained. Once you click on the remove tool, you get the find distractions option here. Click on find distractions and wires and cables. It detects the area in your image where there are wires and cables and removes them.